Kitchen. Welcome to another segment of Comfort Food in Tammy's Kitchen. Today we are making pepper steak with beans with peppers and onions and some Goya beans and rice. And I'll figure out the veggies in a minute. Everything sizzled up in here. Just down just a little. Some of my green onions and my and red peppers. I didn't use no green peppers this time. This is summertime. I like the summer colors. So we use the orange, red, and yellow peppers with onions. And I got my Goya rice with beans already cooking down low. You have to simmer down. Okay, be back in a minute. Smothering down real evenly and tender. So I decided to make some corn for the veggies. And here's my pepper steak simmering down with gravy and green peppers. You can only have the smell simmering through. It will be beautiful. In a sec. Everything's about done. It's looking delicious already. Okay, when we come back, we'll be plating steak with peppers, corn, and Goya beans and rice. And there you have it, ladies and gents. Pepper steak with onions, Goya beans, pinto beans, and rice, and some corn on the side. A nice, beautiful comfort dish. Okay, ladies and gents. Another segment of Comfort Food in Tammy's Kitchen. Thanks for the love. And all y'all Knicks fans, let's go Knicks. Peace out.